As I'm sure all of you know, the My Orders section of GaleForce Media is a housing space for all of the orders that your agency has created across all campaigns, all media types, etc. But there are different ways you can manage this particular section of GaleForce Media and manage and track the orders that you have placed. One example is that you can actually manually confirm that the order has been confirmed by the vendor. So every order, as you know, has a row of buttons to the far right of one, and there are shortcut buttons, including going back to the worksheet, deleting the order, canceling the order, and of course downloading the order. But we also have a confirm the order. So if you do get word back or a written document that this order has been confirmed, you can actually come in here, click the button, and you can even add an attachment to it. So perhaps you get a signature back from the station. You can go ahead and include that document and go ahead and then confirm the order. Okay, and then you will now have a time and date stamp in this confirmed column here. And you'll notice also we have various columns going across the top, including a time and date stamp when you send it to the vendor, if you do email it from our platform, if you are one of our agencies that are transferring to an accounting package, we have a time and date stamp for that as well as the time and date stamp for the wide orbit integration if you're sending television orders to TV stations via the Wide Orbit Connect. One thing you may not know is that you can actually customize this view. So for example, we do have a show/hide columns button here. So there may be some columns that perhaps are hidden that you might want to see. For example, who that vendor contact might be. If you're using estimate numbers, the estimate number for the campaign, etc. So you can open and close any of these columns that you want to see or maybe don't want to see, and then you can save this as a default view by clicking this default view button. So this is a good way to, like I said, to kind of manage the orders, kind of keep track of them, etc.